Hi everyone, welcome to our first lesson in Java. Try your first Java program. All right, let's have the checklist first. Are you new to programming? Are you curious about how to write a simple program in Java? Or are you interested to try your first program in Java? If your answer is yes, then this lesson is for you. So are you ready? Okay, let's get started. In this lesson, you will learn where to download and how to install the JDK or the Java Development Kit. Of course, we have to do that so that you can run your Java program. And then next is how to write a simple Java program. And then I will have a quick explanation of the simple syntax of writing a simple Java program and how to compile and run a Java program. Now, in this lesson, we are not going to use a sophisticated tool to run your Java program. We are just going to use a simple text editor. In your local computer, you have your notepad, so you can just use that. Or I will also suggest another application, which is a Notepad++. You can also write a Java program there. All right, so first, where to download and how to install your JDK. Now, if you search in Google, install JDK, it will suggest that you will see this result. So this link, okay? So let's go to this link, and in that link, you will see this page. Now, this page, you will see different versions of Java. Maybe you will be confused which version that you're going to download. But don't worry, it's just for now. Let's stick with Java SE8. There will be, of course, differences, but for now, for your first lesson, just download JDK SE8. Okay, so once you click this, then you will see this page. So you will see different or a list of operating system. So just select which operating system you are using. And then once you click that, you will see this next page, or it will prompt actually. You will be prompted with this that you have to review the license agreement, and you just select I reviewed and then click download this button. Now, if you're new to Oracle, you will be asked to sign up, and you have to sign up and you have to log in to install this JDK. Now, if you're already signed up and you just have to log in. So once that's done, it will install it for you. Once it's installed, it will be in your download folder, and you will see this. Just click this application and it will install it for you, and you just follow the steps there if you need to click next or click the options. So you just click and just follow everything, and once it's installed, of course, it will prompt you also what destination folder is. So make sure it will be installed there in program files, and then you have a Java folder, and there you go, your Java or JDK. So just click next, and once done, you will have a complete prompt message. It's successfully installed, and then you just close it. You're done. That is the installing and downloading part. Now, what's next? The next step, is, of course, is to write your first Java program. Okay, so launch the Notepad or any text editor in your local computer and just write the code below and save it as, if you name it as first program just like this, you can follow this. Okay, for now, just follow this file name. And for easy access, just create a folder in C Drive and save your Java programs there in that folder. Now, let me show you. I use Notepad++. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, so this is your first program. All right, now you just save this as whatever the name here should also be the name of your file name. Okay, so let me explain to you the syntax. Okay, so in Java, you always have this public class. These are keywords that you have to follow. Just this is very basic. Now, this first program is your class name. Now, all Java programs are in a class name. So class is just a short of classification. Okay, this classification, your program in Java, it's an object-oriented program. So you will be using this keyword class. So this is your program, first program, that's the file name also that you use. Now, for this first basic lesson in Java program, let me just explain to you. This is just to display whatever message you want to display on the screen. So your output stream. Okay, so you use system.out.println. This is the command to display a message on the output stream. Now, you use this symbol, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then you have this quotation mark. So whatever the message that you want to display on the screen, inside, you put that inside the quotation marks. And at the end of the statement, you have this semicolon. Semicolon in Java is like the period in a sentence. So this statement will separate from the other statements. So this is the end of the statements. So you have the semicolon. Now, this program is inside the main function. So this is your main application, main program. So this will be another topic in our next lesson. I will explain to you the detailed of this main function. So for now, just understand to display a message on the screen is system.out.println. And inside your class, you have your main function and it's enclosed with begin and end symbol. The begin is the open curly brackets and the end is the close curly brackets. So this main function is inside the class. So your class also has the open curly brackets and then you have to end it the close curly brackets. So that's it, folks. So this is a very simple program in Java. Now, the next step is to check if our program is running or not. So what do you do first? Now, this is the part that I will show you how to compile and run your Java program. Now, we are going to access the command prompt. So how do you access your command prompt? Okay, so in Windows, you can just run. If you see this here, you have to write CMD or CMD and click command prompt and run it as administrator. So there you go. You will see this command prompt. Now here you go to C drive and go to the folder that you've created in C drive. So in this demonstration, I will show you that I created a Java codes. That is my folder name in C drive. And there I list what's inside this folder. You have the first program that Java that I saved, that I created. Okay, now we have to set path. This is the command to make sure that it will point to our JDK. So where did you install and where did you save the JDK? So you just have to find that in your C drive, program files, Java, and the path of where your JDK was saved. And you specify it's in bin because we are running this program. So you have to set path first before you compile. All right, so you follow this line. Then after that, to compile is to actually check if this program is has no errors or with errors. Now, compiling in programming is basically the machine needs to understand your program, because if you notice that the program, it looks like just an English language, so humans can understand it, but the machine cannot understand that. So we have to compile it, and the Java system will, of course, check if you have errors or not. The machine has to understand if you're writing the correct code. So the command is javac and your file name, first program.java. Okay. So just click enter, and once done, there's no errors. It's blank. It didn't say errors. So then you check if it's successfully compiled. So you will get another file which is in .class extension. So it means it was already compiled. It's ready to run. So when you run your Java program, you have the command Java. So folks, please pay attention. We are inside the folder Java codes because that's where our Java program was saved. So you run your program inside that folder. So Java is the command to run your program. So you just have to write the file name without the extension names. So there you go. This is the output, my first program. So congratulations, you did it. All right. So I hope you enjoyed and you've learned something today. And congratulations. Thank you so much. And congratulations. You did it. Very good. Well done. All right, folks. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye.